Okay, this is how to run the installation. Copy the system wherever you saved it. I've already sent it to you. So copy it. You have to download it. Then save it in a folder anywhere you want. So the next thing you're going to do is copy it. Open your MT5. Once you open your MT5, you click on File. Then click on Open Data Folder. Then click on MQL5. Click on Export. Then paste it here. Okay, this is it. This is the exact file I sent you. Okay, once you're done, you close it out. Then the next thing you're definitely going to do, go to your expert advisor. This is your expert advisor. Refresh it. Okay, once you refresh it, scroll down. You're definitely going to find it. This is it here, right? This is it. So the next thing you're going to do, double click it, right? Yes, ensure that this is on. Click on it, and you click on input. Once you click on input, I sent you a key. That's the license. Okay, you double click here, enter your license code. Then go and copy the license I sent you. Copy the license I sent you. I've already sent you your license. Copy it. This is my personal license. Copy the one I sent you. Then paste it here. Right? So the next thing you're going to do is double click on this, make it true. Then your volume. Okay? Your volume, you impute your volume here. If you have, let's say, 100, you impute the volume of 2. You understand? Change this to 20. Change this to 30. Change this to 2. Change this to buy only. Leave everything the way it is. Here you impute 15 here. Here make it true, and you impute if you are using 2 here, you can impute 4 here, right? So that will be it. Okay, you click OK, right? Ensure that this is on. Okay, put it on. Put it on like this, right? It's very important. And remember, you'll be using just this, and this. Okay, have to remove this. That is crash 500, crash 1000, and boom 500. Those are the instruments you need. Okay, and the time frame is 1. Okay, time frame is 1. Right, the time frame is 1. Remember, you've done for this alone. You're going to repeat for the other ones. Okay? Repeat for 500. You do the same thing. Okay? Come on, ensure that this is on. Okay? Then you input your key here. It's very important. You repeat the same process like what I stated earlier. You understand? Then this is 20. This is 30. This is 2. And this is also buy, right? Here, impute 15. Here you double click it to make it true. Here you impute 4, right? Depending on the lot size you are using, okay? But if you are using a lot size of, let's say, a lot size of 1, you have to make this 23, right? If you are using a lot size of, let's say, 3 here, you make this 70, okay? But if you are using a lot size of 2, you make this 4. If you are using a lot size of, sorry, 0 0.0, sorry, not 0 0.02, it's 0 0.2. Okay, that's the least lot size, okay? Do you understand? Okay, if you're using a lot size of 0 0.2, you make here 4. If you're using a lot size of 0 0.4, you make here 8. So, and you know that the volume depends on your capital. Okay, so once you're done with that, you click OK again, right? You will see this. So that is it. The next thing you're going to do is in your 500, you repeat the same process again, the same process, repeat it. Okay, you paste. Depending on you, your volume depends on you. I'm just using this as an example. 20, 30. In this case, we'll be using sell only, right? Sell only. Then here you impute 15, and here true to impute 4. So you click OK. So that will be all. Okay, I hope that makes sense. If it doesn't make sense, get back to me. Remember, you'll be running this on your VPS. Okay, get your VPS ready. If you don't know how to get one, reach out to me. I will show you how to get one. Bye for now.